Great question. And it goes again back to the people. There really needs to be an understanding across the organization of what the skills are and what the gaps are. And with that, I think companies need to be more collaborative and transparent on where their skills are in each different group. And that often doesn't happen with companies. And so it's going to really take companies an opportunity to come together, and maybe they have steering committees where they're collaborating on what are the skills that are common across different organizations, different functions. What are the skills that they see are gaps, so that those can be identified as sort of your top 10 list. The other thing is, in addition to the collaboration, the people side is really, are you preparing your HR and your L&D groups for the technology and for the change? And a lot of times these are groups in the organizations that don't get necessarily all the funding or the direction there. And that's going to be really key. They are leading the charge. So they're going to need the tools in place. They're going to need the technology, virtual reality, augmented reality, to have those platforms in place for this rapid reskilling. And then I think it's, as a talent development professional and change management, I think about like how my role will be changing. I'm no longer facilitating training, I'm facilitating change, and I'm becoming a coach for talent. And so that's something to get your hands around too, is that your role is changing and you're really guiding people and coaching people through that reskilling and upskilling.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Maria. I think I've just made a note of that sentence that you said. You're no longer facilitating trainings, you're facilitating change. I think the bigger prerequisite is a lot of things the technology can take care of, and we can scale it up, scale it down based on the availability of the resources and the funding. But a lot of it is around the change management, this entire mindset of adopting this new technology.